How to connect Wi-Fi without password. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide will show you how you can easily connect any Wi-Fi without password. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to connect Wi-Fi without password, the very first thing that you have to do, you just need to grab a phone where the Wi-Fi is already connected. So here's my phone and I already connected the Wi-Fi here. You'll get to see if I press and hold the Wi-Fi, I'll get to see the Skydeck 5G is connected. So let's say I just want to share, or I just want to connect this Wi-Fi to another phone. So all you have to do, you just need to tap on this settings icon beside your connected Wi-Fi, and at the bottom left, you'll get to see the QR code option. You can tap on this and you'll get to see the Wi-Fi QR code has been created. And all you have to do, just need to grab another phone and I just need to scan the QR code, and this Wi-Fi will be automatically connected to that phone. And this is how you actually can connect any Wi-Fi without using password. So if you find this pretty helpful guys video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.